New alert si Saya. New alert baby Saya. New alert baby Saya. Mutaga ka eh.
Mahulog ka na.
It's broken. Tell daddy to fix. What is baby Saya doing? Hey, sorry. What is Saya doing? What is Saya doing? Yawan yang giluto na nasa refrigerator. Kurata yang gilutan nama sa refrigerator. Huy. Huy. What is Saya doing? What is Saya doing? What is Saya doing? What is Saya doing?
Isn't this cool? This used to be a dinosaur. Here you go. These are right there. Okay? Sounds silly. Okay, now let's go see what's in. I love geese. They're so cute.
What's that?
Whoa! What a nice setting we have here. We have our fossils. And we have in order to find the fossils from the inside of these dinosaur eggs. So then we get nice and soft. Check out the eggs. Ready? 5, 8.
Ganito, ako lang.
And then the colorful pink eggs. Yep, these aren't fossils. These are toys.
Naman yung bataan ni Oy.
It tastes so good. That moment that it hits my tongue. Apples are fruit, and they are really tasty and good for you. And look at this.
Mahuman, bitag dali na. Pasti lang.
Iningig mo na. Ano sa'yo na? Ano sa'yo? Ang liyo ka na.
Hindi ka na nagkasanan.
Well, this is
Dali,
seaweed.
be. Asa mo?
Yeah, I said that right. Seaweed. You find it in the ocean. It's really healthy and really good. You should try some seaweed sometime. Ooh, last but not least, a tasty, healthy sandwich.
Wow. Matulong mo ma yung kuwan.
Kaya na siya, kukuha siya sa nila.
Here, this isn't part of my lunch, but it's part of my fun activity. A little blower device, and you pull it out.
Si Katol.
Oh, I love
Katol ang buhok.
You know why? Because there's so
Marmo na mag-iningig. Di ay kay Katlan.
These eggs
Kuya Green,
soft
cut
enough.
here.
So,
Kuya Green,
center up
cut with my hair.
Haircut.
to check out some
Hey,
dinosaurs.
cut
So,
here.
be sure to see what dinosaurs Hey,